Hello, I am. Here we have this Hoover MKIV motor, which I've recently just installed on this concrete mixer. This was the original motor. It was a, I think it's a Robin and Myers Co. of Canada. Back in here is all the plugs and cords. Let's take this. Here's a... Okay, we can't... here we go. This is a drill press motor, right here. Go and find it on Google. Here we go. Here's the wires inside. All the wires that go into the motor. Green, blue, black. So, go just cover all that crap up. It was a pretty powerful motor in its day, but now it's starting to grow old, and it still goes, but it started to smoke over the strain of cement in here. This has also got an iconic overload protection, so this just pops out as it's supposed to do. There's a switch. Nice little switch. Right here is the live. Here's the neutral. That's for the overload protection. And that just down here is the earth. So as you can see, pretty nice. Old cable, but this has 1/4 of horsepower. Single phase motor. Can run on I think it's 230 to 250 volts, 50 cycles. Amps 2.4. E-class, BS frame, British standard, I'm guessing. Hoover, trademark. Here's the switch. It's a General Electric switch. Right here. On, as you can see up here, and off. Nice little switch, made in England. Well, a lot of things that are made in England are very good quality. This is made in Britain, Great Britain. You can't really see